The stock market ended a little in the red today, so let's talk about exactly why and what to look out for going into Wednesday, August 12th, a very important day. That is CPI day. Hi, my name is Matt. I'm an avid day trader and investor. I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice and everything is my opinion. However, I trade the markets every damn day, so let's dive into it. Number one, we went into pre-market pretty bullish, not to our surprise. We talked about this yesterday. However, what happened? Optimism with Iran and the Strait of Hormuz started to deteriorate, and we saw oil prices react, applying pressure to those bulls. Oil went up past $83 a barrel. Then we also saw the 10-year treasury tick from 4.7 to 4.72, 4.73, its previous nighttime high. We saw some pressure going on those bulls. However, semiconductor trade held up, even ticked up a little bit. Memory trade clawed its way back. You saw what happened to Micron, and SanDisk was surprisingly bullish pretty much all day. Materials, industrials, energy all did well, of course. Everything else kind of dwindled. Also saw some slight de-risking and deleveraging going into tomorrow because we got the CPI report at 8:30 a.m. and this is the other piece of the puzzle. You guys remember me talking about the jobs report, how important that was. It sent us on a bullish kick. Well, the CPI report can do the exact same damn thing. Here's the consensus. Headline CPI plus 3.4% year over year versus 3.5% plus 0.1% month over month. Core CPI, we want plus 2.5% year over year. Now, that's not exactly what we want. So I'll give you the bullish and bearish scenarios. So what are traders and investors looking for in this? If this headline CPI reads plus 3.3% or lower, expect the markets to rip. Same thing with core CPI. If that reads plus 2.4% or lower, expect the markets to react positively. Why? Because the Fed is looked at for interest rates. Are they hiking? Are they lowering? And why? They have a dual mandate. They got to keep price stability and battle inflation, and they got to keep everyone employed. That's their mandate. This is a big part of the puzzle. Keep an eye out for that. Keep an eye out on the 10-year treasury. As always, oil, the semiconductor trade, memory trade, big tech, how all those are reacting. I am very excited to trade the day tomorrow. Also, honorable mention, Nibius reporting at 8 a.m. What a freaking time to be reporting, huh? Very interested to see what happens there. I scalp that stock all the time. I do not hold into earnings. Definitely be watching how the cards fall on that one. Anyways, guys, like, follow, comment. I super appreciate it, and I'll see you on the next one. Keep it green.